Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. Now in today's video, what we're going to be talking about, the cryptocurrency which is called Moonshot. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe with post notifications turned on, and let's get into this video. So you guys know I've made one video previously about Moonshot and it has done fairly well, so it seems you guys want to know a bit more about this Moonshot cryptocurrency. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have the live price data for Moonshot cryptocurrency be read out now, and afterwards I'm going to come back with some price predictions, etc. for Moonshot cryptocurrency. I'll leave the explanation to Ryan. If you don't know who Ryan is, here is Ryan.
Thank you, Adam. Yes, it's me, Ryan. Subscribe. Thank you. Moonshot price live data. The live Moonshot price today is $5.93 8 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 2,512,799 US dollars. Moonshot is up 19.33% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 2435 with a live market cap of 11,344 US dollars and 12 cents. It has a circulating supply of 191,163,049,869 Moonshot coins and a maximum supply of 1.000000000 Moonshot coins. If you would like to know where to buy Moonshot, the top exchanges for trading in Moonshot are currently bitmart and P2PB2B. Moonshot is a deflationary, self-regenerating automatic liquidity providing protocol that pays out static rewards to holders. As our burn address is in the list of holders, the total supply of Moonshot is forever decreasing. 4% of each transaction is distributed amongst Moonshot holders. This increases the incentive to hold the tokens in the wallets. When nobody is selling, the price could moon rocket. Wall Street bets won the fight against hedge funds. Just by buying and holding as the key to success. Every single Moonshot holder has an incentive to spread the use of Moonshot as much as possible. As more transactions take place in the network, the net worth of every individual increases as well. 6% of each transaction is automatically locked to the liquidity pool. This contributes to lower volatility and a continuously increasing price floor. LP tokens are locked for 3 years by the DXSale network. You can view our lock here fair distribution with no whales due to maximum of 2 BNB allocation per wallet.
So based on that little summary that Ryan gave us, which is my bot, so Moonshot is up 19% in the last 24 hours. The estimated projection or prediction, for Moonshot in 2021 is 0.000000007 USD. But it seems Moonshot is getting quite profitable. Moonshot is getting quite profitable because based on the data that we've been receiving, it seems right now Moonshot could be a possible great investment for those who are, looking to start on a low basis. When it comes to cryptocurrency, you don't want to invest a lot, and I can see Moonshot being a place for you to invest in now, because in the future it's going to be bigger. It is going to be bigger. So if you have questions, I would like you to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to review your questions, read your questions, and give you an appropriate answer, as well as if you have anything to add, such as any input you'd like to put in, you can also leave it in the comment section below, because I do read every single comment. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. Have a great day cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out. Have a good day.